And this is a CNN News 18 exclusive news break. Qatar has now accepted death penalty appeal by the Indians. Qatar court has accepted India's appeal lodged in Qatar court. Now, this appeal is filed by India after the death penalty to 8 Indians on spying charges, and according to sources, the appeal document is accepted by the court and will now study it to come to a decision in the case. So, big breaking news that is coming in is that the Qatar court has accepted the death penalty appeal by Indian, and the appeal was lodged in Qatar's court by India after death penalty to 8 Indians was given on spying charges. And CNN News 18's Abhishek Jha is joining us with more details on this. Abhishek, what next? As we are learning that the Qatar court has accepted the appeal, so what lies next?
So, well, the hearing will happen, and these gentlemen will get a chance to defend themselves in the Qatari court. And the charges and the conviction, the way it has not been made public yet. I mean, what are the charges has been known only to the defendant's lawyers, and they have the real information on what grounds these Navy veterans have been lodged in jail and how the legal process is continuing, while India continues to hope that the legal system in Qatar will release them. But if anything happens, there are still redressal mechanisms. There are still higher judiciary where the Indian side will try to defend their case. And if everything is exhausted, then there is also an option of clemency from the King of Qatar, and that is also one of the chance that these Navy veterans have. Meanwhile, Indian government has continued to be in touch with Qatari authorities in the entire issues, and they have also been able to provide some counsel access to these people, and there have been instances where these people have been allowed meeting with their family persons also. So this is what Indian governments have tried to achieve in the entire case of over more than 1 year of them being in Qatar's jail.
Also, Abhishek, can you shed some light on the whole case? Because these men were arrested in August 22 on spying charges. So what all has unfolded since then?
Well, the entire case, the charges and the ground on which these people were arrested has not been made public yet by the Qatari officials. There are some speculation, but those speculation may not be true as to what were the real charges behind the arrest of these persons. But we know that these new veterans were working for a company which was training Qatari army officials, and during one of these training process, only it is believed that they were detained and later arrested by the Qatar government. So what went wrong? How these Navy veterans fell to some trap or something that has been a reason why they have been behind the bars for this long time, that is still not made public either by the Qatari side or by the Indian government side. But we do know that they have been in jail. Indian government has been working closely with the Qatari officials, and some consular have been provided to these people, and the families have got a chance to meet the family members who have been in the Qatar jail.
All right, Abhishek, thank you so much for getting us all those details.